Hi everybody, I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Today we're doing a demo on the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo super automatic espresso machine. Before we jump into it, if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and hit the bell at the top to be notified when Consiglioskitchenware.com shares new videos. Today I'm going to show you the main features of the machine. I'll show you how to brew all 7 beverages, including cold brew over ice. I'll show you how to customize the beverages, and lastly, how easy it is to maintain the machine for overall longevity. What does the machine come with? We have a one-time use descaling solution. There is a hot water spout. The machine comes with a milk carafe. It's dishwasher safe. We've got our water filter, water test strip, a scoop for pre-ground coffee to use with the bypass chute. There's a really cute little welcome note. This is a warranty document, tech support, contact number, an in-depth manual, and my favorite is the quick start guide. Really easy to use quick start guide with lots of visuals to ensure that within minutes of unboxing your machine, you'll be enjoying gourmet barista style beverages. The control panel features soft touch buttons with a compact, user-friendly, and elegant design. The 7 beverages that the machine offers is MyLatte, latte macchiato, cappuccino, espresso, coffee over ice, and hot water. Above that, we have the power button, the ×2 button to make 2 espresso at once. If you hold this button down for 5 seconds, this is your rinse button as well. We have the strength options over here. 3 beans is maximum strength. We also have the bypass scoop if using the bypass chute, most often used at night for decaf coffee. This here is the menu setting button. If you hold this down for 5 seconds, you'll be able to access the menu setting features. And last but not least is our milk clean and descaling button. Today we're using our super Crema espresso beans. They are locally roasted. They are non-oily, safe for the grinders. The Magnifica Evo Super Automatic has a 250-gram bean hopper. Over here we have our locally roasted beans. They are matte in color. They do not leave any oil residue. That means it's safe for the grinder. Always avoid using oily beans. Within the control panel, you would select to use your pre-ground option. You're going to be using 1 level scoop of pre-ground coffee that would go directly into the bypass, and then you would select which beverage you're going to be preparing. The Magnifica Evo does have a very user-friendly milk carafe. There are guideline indicators, minimum mark, enough milk for 1 cappuccino, 1 latte macchiato, 2 cappuccino, or 2 latte macchiato. There's a button on the side of the carafe. Press in and pull outwards. This will release the carafe from the machine. There is a twist action in order to release the top part of the milk frother. This milk frother can be tossed into the dishwasher for easy cleaning. We're gonna go ahead and make our first beverage for this demonstration. We are making MyLatte. The machine has a unique technology built into it that will automatically detect and use however much milk is inside of this carafe for the MyLatte feature. I wanna make a cappuccino that doesn't have that much milk in it. So I've put the minimum amount of milk, and I'm going to now select the strength option to be 3, strongest setting, and we're gonna press the MyLatte button. The MyLatte features a great option. If you are somebody who wants a very, very large latte, you would put the maximum amount of milk choose the MyLatte feature, and the carafe will be emptied automatically because the machine detects exactly how much milk is inside and it will froth its entire contents using the MyLatte feature. So just make sure you have a big enough cup that can accommodate that much volume. If you want to do something like I've done here, more coffee with milk, you would put the minimum amount of milk and then the machine will froth that for you and brew a shot of espresso. Right now, the milk clean is illuminated. The machine will do a milk clean after the milk beverage is made, and simply press this button and it will purge water through the carafe. Next on the menu, we will be making a latte macchiato. I'm going to select the strength setting to 3 beans, maximum strength. I'm going to press the latte macchiato button. Always remember there is a way to program the volume. You would hold the beverage down for 5 seconds until the illuminated light starts to blink fast. That will tell you you're in the personalization menu. It will brew your beverage. Once you reach the volume that you prefer, simply press the button again. When you go and make this beverage the next time, it will make that exact volume. For now, we're going to use the preset recipe that's built into the machine. The milk carafe can accommodate 220 milliliters. You can use regular dairy milk. You can also use non-dairy milk. Just keep in mind that the fat and protein makeup of that type of non-dairy milk will yield in a slightly different texture overall. The adjustable spout can accommodate a maximum cup height of 14 centimeters, and of course you can move it up and down. Over here we have some beautiful layering happening, perfectly textured and heated milk. We've got our shot of espresso, and that is looking delicious. We're gonna be making a cappuccino. I'm gonna put our cappuccino cup on the stainless steel cup holder. I'm going to make an adjustment to the spout. I'm gonna aim the milk carafe spout into the cup, and we are going to choose a medium strength on the strength selection on the control panel. When you choose low, medium, or strong strength, the machine will grind either less or more coffee for that specific shot of espresso. Let's go ahead and choose the cappuccino feature. Today we are going to garnish our cappuccino with a bit of cinnamon. That looks beautiful. Next, we're going to go ahead and make a double espresso. I'm going to hit the ×2 button, and then I'm going to hit my espresso button. We have a really nice crema happening here. We're using our super crema beans, about 90% Arabica, 10% Robusta. The Robusta really does help and create a beautiful creamy crema on the top. Next, I'm going to show you how easy it is to personalize and change the strength and volume setting on a beverage. We're going to choose our strength setting, and then if you hold the beverage button down for 5 seconds, it begins to flash at a faster pace. This means you're in the right setting to customize the volume. It's going to start brewing the beverage. When it reaches the volume that you're happy with, simply press the button again. When you make this beverage in the future, moving forward, it will make it at this specific volume. Next on the menu, we'll be preparing a coffee. The machine offers an over ice beverage. The machine will brew it at a cooler temperature, meaning you need less ice. This helps to maintain the overall flavor profile of that over ice coffee. There's a hot water option on the machine. This is the hot water spout. Simply insert it, press the hot water button. You can get hot water for tea, or if you wanted to make yourself an Americano, which is a shot of espresso and then a shot of hot water. The machine offers 3 different temperature settings. Hold the setting button down for 5 seconds. Then choose MyLatte, beverage number 1. Over here, you can choose low, medium, or high temperature. We're gonna leave it on high. Select beverage 1 to accept, and then the setting button to complete this change. Of course, the machine will tell you within the control panel when it needs water, when the waste container needs to be emptied, as well as when it needs to be descaled or when a new water filter is required. On your own, once per week, it's recommended to rinse the brewing unit. This is our water tank right over here. Our brewing unit is just behind the water tank. So there's a little drawer that you can open up. You're gonna pinch the brewing unit, and once per week, you're simply just gonna rinse it under tap water. This helps to maintain a nice and clean brewing unit. Once it's rinsed off, shake it off, and you're going to just simply reinsert. Close this here, and the water tank gets put back in place. The milk carafe, as we've talked about, can be unassembled. This comes apart, and this goes onto the top rack of the dishwasher, and you would do a normal dishwasher cycle. Our drip tray is right over here. The light on the control panel will become illuminated when there's maximum amount of spent pucks. So the coffees that you use, the brewing unit dispenses a little coffee puck. That's the ground coffee. Just dump it out into the compost, and you're manually going to monitor the drip tray. The stainless steel cup tray gets removed. There's a grid piece over here, just remove that. There's a little red floater that helps you identify when the drip tray becomes full. And there will be water in the drip tray. It is normal. This is where the excess water from the brewing cycle gets dispensed within the machine. So simply empty this, rinse it out, reassemble, and place back onto the machine. Thanks for watching the demo on the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo super automatic espresso machine. This compact, user-friendly machine can make 7 different beverages, including a cold brew. Thanks to the LatteCrema system, you'll be able to perfectly texture milk for your cappuccinos and your lattes with optimal convenience of being able to put the carafe directly into the dishwasher for cleaning. The control panel is user-friendly with soft touch buttons with modern visual display. Once you unbox this machine using the quick start guide, you'll be able to start enjoying your beverages within moments. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to a Consiglio's Kitchenware team member. We'll be there to help you make the best choice for your coffee and espresso needs. I've had a blast demoing today. Stay caffeinated, everybody, and I'll see you next time.